What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today is day 19 of 30 days of RV tours. Today we're checking out this Forest River Aurora 26BH. This RV sleeps 5 and has no slide outs. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the Forest River Aurora 26BH. This RV is great for those maybe looking to get into RVing or someone that just wants a pretty simple setup. And what makes this RV simple is that it doesn't have a slide out. Let's take a look at the specs though before we tour this RV. So you've got a hitch weight of 541 pounds, an unload vehicle weight of 4,747 pounds, a gross vehicle weight rating of 7,000 pounds, an exterior length of 29 feet 3 inches, and a total height of 11 feet 1 inches. Let's go ahead and start on the front of this Forest River Aurora 26BH. So this right here is the light model, so it doesn't weigh as much, but it's got dual propane tanks, a simple crankjack on the front, and then on the side of this RV, you've got pass-through underbelly storage, and then all the doors have these little magnetic locks that keeps the baggage door held up whenever you're accessing the underbelly area. So that is really nice to have, and then underneath of the front is this large pass-through storage, but that is really nice to have that full pass-through space because a lot of these RVs don't have that. You've got an egress window, and then you've got this other window here, and then this RV has rippled siding, and then you've got your fresh water connection here, and then you've got double axle on this RV, and then you've got your furnace exhaust, and then next to that is your 30 amp power hookup, and then you've got your fresh water or city water connection, and then you've got your black tank flush. That right there is very helpful, and it works great, and it's nice that an RV that's kind of basic has that. Then you've got your cable and satellite, and then your sewage dump right beneath that. On the back of this RV, you've got some decals, and then this RV is prepped for the Furrion backup camera, and it also has the Lippert ladder prep, which is really nice. Got your hot water tank down there, and then on the camp side of this RV, you've got the leash link in case you're traveling with pets. Then you've got this little storage space, and then you've got a 15-foot awning on the campsite as well as an outdoor speaker. And then you've got your Lippert solid steps, and then up front is the other baggage door that passes through to the other side. Alright, I'm ready to head inside of this RV. Starting with the entry door, this RV is prepped for the Lippert thin shade that basically is a pull-up shade that keeps the light from pouring through the door window. Alright, we're going to start up front and then work our way to the back. So up front, you've got this nice size bedroom that has an RV queen size bed, and then you've got cabinets on each side, a window in the corner, and then a curtain that slides across for privacy. Over here, you've got a couch, which I really like that they added another seating area in this RV, because for sleeping 5, you only have the dinette to seat people. So I love that they gave that extra seating area, and then you've got cabinets above the kitchen. Then you have a large farmhouse sink. We have this exact same sink in our RV, and we absolutely love it. Beneath that is 2 large size cabinets. Nice to see all the space in this RV. And then next to that is another cabinet that sits directly beneath the 3-burner cooktop. Above that you have a microwave, and then you've got your refrigerator that has a fridge on the bottom and then a freezer on the top. Alright, now let's go ahead and check out the dinette, which sits across from the kitchen. This right here, it seats about 4, and it flips down into a bed. So that's really nice to have that other sleeping spot there and a huge window up above. And then you have more cabinet space that runs on each side of this RV, which is nice because you definitely need a spot to put all the clothes. Then you've got 2 double bunks. I wish the bottom bunk had a window like the top one does, but that's alright. Now in the bathroom, you've got a cabinet vanity that has a good sized sink, and then you've got a mirror that sits above it, and then 2 towel hooks, and then this large size shower with a toilet in the corner. Alright, that is going to do it for this RV tour. I honestly think that this RV is laid out very well for having no slide out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this RV tour, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the road.